Sneaky as hell. Latinos ain't no joke. We ain't no joke. Latinos is the only people that got our stuff like plastic on the sofas. You know, everybody in this house got plastic on a sofa that's like 40 years old. Every year you want to change the plastic. Vamos a cambiar el plástico. Vamos a cambiar el plástico. You ever fall asleep on plastic? That's the worst thing ever. You get up the next day like a mice on a glue trap. Mommy, mommy! Mommy, mommy, you don't know! Mommy, you don't know mommy! You don't know mommy! Latinos always do this, like, yo.